What evidence led to Yoon's drone-related conviction in 2026? The surprising proof that sealed the case reveals how cutting-edge technology can both expose and convict. The first breakthrough came from the drone's own flight data. Authorities extracted detailed logs that revealed Yoon's drone flew into restricted airspace multiple times at suspicious hours. This data was irrefutable, as the drone's GPS and onboard sensors recorded every movement. These flight patterns were critical because they disproved Yoon's alibi and placed the drone exactly where illegal activity was suspected. Another key piece of evidence was the drone's recorded footage. Investigators recovered videos saved on the drone's memory card showing illegal transactions and unauthorized surveillance. The clarity of this footage not only identified Yoon's drone, but also connected him visually to the scenes of the crime. This direct visual proof was a game changer in court. Digital forensics played a crucial role. Experts analyzed Yoon's phone and computer, finding encrypted messages and control signals sent to the drone. These digital fingerprints confirmed Yoon's active role in piloting the drone during illegal events. This cyber trail was nearly impossible to fake and provided undeniable proof of intent and involvement. Alongside technological evidence, eyewitness testimonies were pivotal. Several witnesses saw Yoon launching and controlling the drone near restricted areas. Their accounts corroborated the technical data and painted a consistent picture of his involvement. These human witnesses added a layer of credibility that technology alone could not provide. Yoon's conviction was a landmark case showing how modern technology and traditional investigation methods combine to catch drone-related crimes. From flight data to digital forensics and eyewitness accounts, the evidence was overwhelming. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and uncover more surprising stories from science and law.